an olive Ridley sea turtle. She left to roam the ocean, but now she's come back. Her first steps on land in nearly 15 years. Home, at last. She hauls herself as far up the beach as she can, digs a deep hole, and fills it with over 100 eggs. But she's not alone. Behind her are thousands more. Her sisters, drawn in by some unknown signal. This is the night they've all chosen to return. With the dawn, it ends. 50 days later, hundreds of thousands of 2-inch-long turtles soldier their way to the surface. For this newborn and his band of brothers, it will be their longest day. Only 5 out of 100 will make it through the next 8 hours. Beyond the barricades of driftwood, the open battlefield, 120 feet of deep sand. The enemy forces are waiting. So close, and yet so far. At last, the safety of the sea.